Hey all, welcome to ShareTrek. This is Raj here. Friends, today I want to talk to you about Gilead Sciences because I think this company is great. Gilead has been steadily growing its EPS year after year. They also have a very strong pipeline for this and many other reasons. I think Gilead is great. Please watch until the end of this video so that you get a full picture. I think it's worth an investment. Of course, this is my personal opinion and not financial advice. And friends, if you're here for the first time, please subscribe to get daily videos on genomic investment and weekly videos on disease such as HIV and diabetes. That's it. Let's get started. Welcome back, friends. First off, Gilead has a strong net income that amounts to 17% of their revenue and came in at $23.7 billion at last count. Gilead has been socking away free cash over the last 4 years and has a haul of $35 billion right now. This includes $8.3 billion in free cash earned in 2022. While we wait for CRISPR or Beam to do something like this, Gilead is already doing it. Well, one more reason to buy Gilead is that it pays a dividend. It pays 3.6% dividend, and based on its free cash, the dividend seems sustainable in the long run. But before we look at their pipeline, here are two major highlights I want to talk to you about. Their Trodelvy approved for bladder cancer and 2 types of breast cancer, bought in $680 million in 2022, which is a jump of around 79% over what it bought in 2021. And now the company is working on getting FDA to approve Trodelvy for more indications, and that would mean more revenue, more free cash, and more sustainable dividends, which in turn puts the share favorably on a bullish path going forward. The other highlight is that their leadership in HIV therapies makes them one of the strongest shares out there. Their top-selling Biktarvy bought in $10.4 billion in sales last year. Gilead has a specialty in HIV and has a few other drugs such as Descovy, Odesvy, and Genvoya for HIV. Their combined sales of these 3 drugs last year was just shy of $6 billion. Not to speak of Sunlenca and Truvada, which has already proven itself in the market. They have a total of 12 HIV drugs in US, 7 for viral hepatitis, and 4 in oncology, including Trodelvy. According to their list of medicines, I find that they also have Tamiflu in their other medications, which are not under the categories I have mentioned so far. Tamiflu has also been a blockbuster drug. And a couple of days ago, their blockbuster drug, Remdesivir, was cleared by FDA to treat renal diseases, while their Veklury obtained FDA approval to treat COVID-19 patients with severe renal impairment. Now let's take a look at their pipeline. As you will see, in their pipeline, they have 11 potential clinical stage opt-in assets, or preclinical as we call it, and 61 clinical stage programs. And these are in 3 distinct areas: viral diseases, inflammatory diseases, and oncology. And I would like to take you through the pipeline in a very brief manner. So they have 3 phase 3 candidates out here. Obeldesivir for COVID-19, lenacapavir HIV is in the phase 3. Lenacapavir treatment for virologically suppressed treatment experienced people living with HIV, that's also in phase 2 of 3. It's on phase 3 actually. So there is plenty going in here in phase 3. And then in phase 2, we have a whole bunch of candidates, and likewise in phase 1. And when it comes to hepatitis B virus, which is HBV, and hepatitis D virus, so hepatitis D virus can infect those people who are having hepatitis B virus already. So they have 1, 2, 3 drugs out here. One of them is already filed for a BLA, and we have 1 more in phase 3 and 1 in phase 2. And we have a bunch of phase 1 candidates also, and most of them are in the viral diseases area. So there is plenty to come for Gilead. So this is a very strong pipeline. And coming to the share price, right? It closed Friday at 77.19. And I'm going to take you to the TradingView platform because I want to show you the potential of gains in Gilead. Here we are in the TradingView platform, and I'm looking at the shares of Gilead. This is a price chart where each of the candles is a one-day candle. And as you can see, their all-time high was somewhere around 89.63 around 13th of December 2022. Since then, the share has fallen to 77.19. That's a drop of around 16.12%. So if someone was to buy the share now, I'm pretty sure that when it comes to their earnings, which is scheduled for 3rd of August 2023, we are going to have some positive news about the BLA that they have filed for. And there's plenty of scope for gain because of that. Of course, this is my it's my personal opinion, not financial advice. But given the situation that we experience with our genomic watchlist companies, I think putting a little capital in Gilead is not too bad. Of course, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence. I thought Gilead makes a compelling success story. And I would like to know what you guys think about Gilead. And also, before I go, I would like to add a few more pieces of information that you can see here. The first one is that Gilead has got approval from FDA to use remdesivir to treat renal disease. I already mentioned that. And then they have another drug called Veklury, which has obtained FDA approval to treat COVID-19 patients with severe renal impairment. So those are other positive catalysts. So I'm feeling very optimistic about Gilead. And if you look at the momentum also, it's picking up, it's above average, plenty of room for the RSI to go. MACD is also bullish. So everything is on the go for Gilead, in my opinion. So please let me know what you think. And if you want more videos like this, just mention in the comment and I'll bring you more of these. And I'm sounding a bit different today because I'm suffering from allergies and I've had my medication, but it doesn't seem to be working. Actually, nobody can find out what exactly I'm allergic to. I've done an allergy test. Yeah, but I'm muddling through with it. So please bear with my voice today. If you have any other feedback on Gilead, or if you have suggestions for any other company to cover, please put that in the comments below and I'll make sure that I hear your comments. Take care. Have a great day. Bye for now.